Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with your fire weather outlook for day 2. We have an elevated risk for fire spread tomorrow, encompassing southeastern and eastern Nevada, western Utah, southeastern Idaho, a little bit of west central Wyoming, and far southwestern Montana. And there is a brown circled area. The brown circled area is where we have a chance for isolated dry thunderstorms tomorrow. Dry thunderstorms are thunder and lightning without any form of precipitation. Because the air is dry, the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground, and you're just left with thunder and lightning. And if it hits the ground, it could cause if lightning hits the ground, it could cause a fire, especially if the ground is too dry. Okay, so there could be some dry thunderstorms tomorrow within this brown circled area, this brown shade area. Okay, so anyway, that's really all the hazards we have for tomorrow. So the synopsis: fire weather concerns will continue into Friday across the Great Basin and parts of the Northern Rockies. The upper wave currently moving into California will gradually shift east into the Great Basin over the next 48 hours. This will maintain a weak surface low over the Intermountain West, while also supporting a northward surge of deeper monsoonal moisture from Arizona into Utah, Colorado, and parts of southern Wyoming. Dry conditions, both at the surface and aloft, will support elevated fire weather conditions, as well as dry thunderstorm chances. Latest ensemble guidance suggests a corridor of 15 to 20 miles per hour winds will likely emerge from southern Nevada into western Utah and eastern Idaho. Several hours of elevated fire weather conditions are probable as relative humidity values fall into the 10 to 15% range by late afternoon. Similar to previous days, a combination of steep mid-level lapse rates and modest mid-level moisture on the northwestern fringe of the monsoonal surge will support a swath of 100 to 500 J per kilograms, MUCAPE, under central Nevada into western Wyoming. Dry boundary layer conditions under the weak buoyancy coupled with 15 to 25 knot storm oceans will favor dry thunderstorms. Latest CAM guidance shows a reasonably strong signal for convection, though coverage may be more limited compared to previous days as stronger synoptic forcing for ascent will likely remain displaced to the south and southeast. Regardless, receptive fuels over the region will continue to yield a lightning-driven fire weather concern. So, that's your fire weather outlook for day 2. So anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, within the fire weather areas. If I were you, I would gather supplies. I would put supplies together immediately and bring supplies such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, extra batteries, a radio, a battery-powered radio, your cell phone and phone chargers for your journey. Okay? So, again, gather your supplies in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. Alright? So, anyway. And also, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. I repeat, do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Because 1, that's littering. 2, it could cause a spark. It could cause a fire. Even if it's not lit, it could still cause a fire. And and make sure your cigarette is out before you throw it away. Because if it's still lit, it could cause a fire in a trash can. That can also spread quickly. So, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will have my day 1 fire weather outlook and my day 1 severe weather outlook tomorrow morning. And as far as the severe weather outlook is concerned, I'll be filling in for SPC convective outlooks for the severe weather outlook videos until further notice. Take care.